Hello everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2014 Audi Q7 3.0 Premium Plus Quattro. It's a V6 supercharged, leather, backup camera, navigation, heated seats front and rear, heated steering wheel, tow package. Really a nice truck. Exterior's in great condition. You have one little scratch there. Looks like somebody tried to touch it up. But besides that, the exterior of this and the interior are both in great shape. Third row. You have backup camera in this, big panel sunroof. As you can see, really clean interior. Nice big roof. You have a third row in the back as well. It has push button start, keyless entry, blind spot assist. For a 14, definitely comes with all the amenities and features you would want. 109,570 on the clock. And if this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any repair needs for an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other luxury foreign or domestic vehicle, definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking us out.